guys, I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are staying home and you are practicing your social distancing. I wanted to put up a video on here to show you guys how I do some free self-care and maintenance at home for free. So I started with my brows and I tweezed them, but I typically get them threaded. But since everything is closed, I opted for some tweezers. And guys, yeah, this hurt. I think I'm the only person out there that would say threading is better than tweezing. Soon you guys will see me go in with some scissors, some regular scissors, and trim my eyebrows. I couldn't find any eyebrow scissors, so I just used some regular scissors. So yeah. So here I wanted to show you guys some skincare. So I'm going to be making a brightening body scrub along with a brightening face mask. And so in this scrub, I'm going to be using brown sugar, olive oil, turmeric, lemon, and some lavender oil. If you don't want to use turmeric because it can get messy, and trust me, you guys will see it stains your nails, you don't have to use it at all. Just leave the lemon in there and that should be brightening enough.
Positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know, let me know, let me know.
And for my mask, you guys already know this mixture. It is this bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar mixture. I use this in my hair and I use this on my face, and it is the best facial that you can give yourself at home, and it's very affordable. So yeah, I just added in a little bit of apple cider vinegar, bentonite clay, and you just mix and get the consistency. Add more as you go, and then I added in a little bit of turmeric, and this really takes it to the next level because it brightens your face and any blemishes that you have.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. And whatever comes too quick. All this jewelry ain't no use when this gets dark.
I like to take a warm, hot rag and put it on my face and just let the clay kind of break up and dissolve. After it gets hard, it's a little bit rough on the skin when you just go right in and start washing it off. So I kind of let it soak for a bit. And look at my skin, you guys. Oh my god. So in the shower we go, shave your legs and go ahead and put that scrub on. I would actually recommend that you put the scrub on first and then shave your legs after, especially if you have ingrowns, but this is just the way I did it. Shea butter, baby. I put my shea butter on all over my body and I don't know, it just makes me feel so luxurious. And so I went in with some products for my mom's skincare line, which will be launching soon, so stay tuned for that. But I used some vitamin C serum along with some vitamin C face cream, and this has been working magic on my face, guys, I swear. The face cream comes in this really cool container. You push it down and the product comes up out of this little hole in the middle, but it's so cool and it's so convenient, and you use just the perfect amount. Now, guys, this is my favorite part of the day when I get to pick up my journal and just write whatever I feel like. I think this is a great way to add in some self-care and self-checkups into your daily routines. I will be putting up a mental health video very soon, and this is definitely one of the things that have helped me just stay on track with myself, so I definitely recommend journaling. And now it's time to get a little cute. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and if you guys haven't seen my everyday makeup routine with a little bit of glam in it, I suggest you guys go on my channel and look at it. I should be doing an updated one pretty soon, but I'm just gonna leave this here as a little montage that you guys could look at and enjoy, and I'll stop talking. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you take some of the ideas, the recipes, and even the journaling into account and incorporate it into your daily self-care and your routine, especially during this quarantine. We could all use a little bit of love. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to run away, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes, comes through quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. And whatever comes, comes through quick. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the heart. It's on the wrist like a charm, yeah. Man, we're still like a heart. Like we could die all dawn, like we could die all long. We could see it 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Spotlight on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds don't shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord, good gracious. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Your information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, your paper flashing crazy. She on the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato.